India's national security apparatus is executing a major technological and operational pivot. Union Home Minister Amit Shah officially inaugurated the two-day 9th National Security Strategies Conference in the national capital, bringing together over 850 security officers, police chiefs and domain experts, including Ministers of State for Home Affairs, the Union Home Secretary, Deputy National Security Advisors and heads of Central Armed Police Forces. Now, addressing the conference, the Home Minister directed all security agencies to implement a strict zero-tolerance approach towards infiltration and illegal immigration. To modernize intelligence operations, mandated the deployment of artificial intelligence to analyze data on the multi-agency center platform. Agencies were instructed to formulate clear standard operating procedures governing AI usage to counter emerging national security challenges. First-day discussions focused on Pakistan's proxy warfare, radicalization, cybercrime frameworks, narcotics, control vision documents, and counter-terrorism responses. Now, to strengthen legal and operational capabilities, emphasize specialized training for the Ministry of Home Affairs Prahar initiative against terrorism. The fact called for a unified, comprehensive approach when investigating cases under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The Home Minister also instructed agencies to speed up trials by bringing back absconding fugitives and aggressively utilizing trial in absentia legal provisions. Day 2 of the conference expands focus towards sub-aerial drone threats, countermeasures, securing the blue economy, information warfare, and formulating a national biosecurity framework. Now, before we carry on and I give you the front page take on this very interesting story, remember, ladies and gentlemen, that Cypher 2026 hits KTPO Bengaluru on October 7th to 9th. Join the power-packed lineup including Navya Naveli Nanda, Vatsal Sheth and Lakshmi R. Iyer for 3 days of high-impact discussions and keynotes. Grab your passes today and we'll see you there soon. With that, here's the front page take on the story. Mandating AI analysis across the multi-agency centers signals that India's counter-terrorism operations are moving from reactive policing to predictive intelligence. Now, by pairing advanced artificial intelligence SOPs with strict trial in absentia prosecutions for fugitives and zero-tolerance border enforcement, the Home Ministry is essentially establishing an integrated tech-driven shield against proxy warfare and cross-border infiltration. However, predictive algorithms are only as good as the raw data fed into them, meaning the real battleground will be whether state police forces and central intelligence can maintain flawless data sharing discipline down to the district level. So the question here is this: will embedding artificial intelligence models across multi-agency platforms allow security forces to permanently dismantle cross-border terror networks before they deploy? Or will evolving digital countermeasures force a continuous cat-and-mouse game in intelligence analysis? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.